Solar taxonomy was developed by. Correct option B. Classroom test and assessment can be used for dash. Correct option A. Instructional objectives. While calculating standard deviation and represent. Correct option A. Number of data points. The process which provides information regarding how much a student has learned is called dash. Correct option C. Measurement. Evaluation is always done against a standard and dash. Correct option C. Objectives. Types of aptitude test are dash. Correct option C. 5. Most frequently observed value is called dash. Correct option D. Mode. An essay type item that allows the student to determine the length and complexity of response is called an dash. Correct option B. Extend the response essay item. The process of using symbols such as letters to indicate various types of students' progress. Correct option C. Grading. Reliability is one of the most important elements of dash. Correct option C. Test quality. While calculating standard deviation and represent. Correct option A. Number of data points. A test score is called dash when we have reason for believing the test score to be stable and objective. Correct option A. Reliable. Which of the following test item good for knowledge, comprehension and higher level outcomes? Correct option B. Supply type item. Students supply a response to a question that might consist of a single word or phrase is known as dash. Correct option A. Objective. An aptitude test measure dash. Correct option A. Mental ability. The intended degree of performance of objective is called. Correct option B. Observation. The process which is conducted in end of learning procedure is called dash. Correct option B. Summative evaluation. Following are the properties of mean except correct option B represents middle of data set. Process of measuring a particular characteristic is called dash. Correct option B. Testing. One of the following is a property of median. Correct option D. Useful for normally distributed data. Who said that assessment is today mean of modifying tomorrow instruction? Correct option B. Maslow. To ensure the reliability of test, the first step is to calculate the item test and dash and reject any that are too low. Correct option C. Median. Any set of normally distributed standard score that has a mean of 50 and ST of 10 is called dash. Correct option C. Mean score. I hope you like this video. Don't forget to subscribe.